Hi, this is Maria with WTI.
And I am going to show you why this COVERGIRL TruNaked Sunset palette is a must-have. You can very easily achieve a beautiful eyeshadow makeup in less than 5 minutes. It comes with very beautiful and bright colors, light and dark ones, and they are very pigmented, so you can either choose to have a very fun and dramatic and colorful look, or just more of a natural morning look. Here you can see which ones are my favorites and the ones I use the most. And only using these three colors, I am going to very easily get a beautiful eye makeup in just 5 minutes. These suggestions in the back are very helpful if you are a beginner like me. I started applying the color Daybreak Avi in my crease and outer corner, and then I used the Sundown Crepuscule for my eyelid, and then I used the Sun Up Outer for my inner corner, just to give it some light. And that's it. And this is the finished look that you will see now, guys. This took me like 5 minutes. So if you don't have much time in the morning, or if you just want to retouch your makeup on the go, this is the palette that you need. And that's my point of view.